guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm finally going to be doing my very first thrift flip video and I'm very excited. So today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing 4 pieces with 1 can of gold spray paint. Spray paint or just paint in general can do a lot to completely change how a piece looks. It gives it new life, nice fresh burst of color, all that good stuff. And we're gonna do that today with just 1 color. It's like the easiest thrift flip DIY thing you can do, so I'm gonna show you how easy it is. If you enjoy thrifting and thrift flip videos and DIY and renovations and all that kind of stuff, then you will want to subscribe because I do a lot of that kind of stuff and I have a lot planned for this channel. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. So the first item we are going to spray paint is this mirrored gold tray that you would have seen if you watched one of my past thrift hauls. I just think it needs a little revamping in the gold department, so that's what we're gonna do. Alright, the next item that we are going to spray paint today is this really nice, modern looking Paris decor piece. Again, you would have seen one of my past thrift haul videos. Right now it's kind of like a pearly color. Don't know if you can tell, but it's a little pearly. It's not bad, but for our decor, I'm going to turn it gold and I think it's going to go really great in our foyer once we redo it, which has not happened yet. But anyways, let's spray paint it. The next thing that we are going to spray paint, right now these pieces don't have a home for what they are specifically going to be used for, but they're going to be used for something to go with our new decor, maybe on a furniture piece as we start flipping furniture. But again, in one of my last thrift haul videos, you would have seen that I got these pieces, which they're already kind of like a dark bronzy kind of gold. I'm going to make them a nice fresh bright gold to kind of go with all the other golds that's going to be going in our house. So let's get to painting. Okay, last but not least, we are going to be spray painting this Texas, pretty sure it's a pot holder. It's like metal, put it on your counter, put a hot pot on it, that kind of thing. I have a connection with Texas. I love Texas. My dad's family's in Texas. Even though we live in South Carolina, I have a big piece of my heart in Texas. And so I really liked this when I saw it at the Goodwill down the street. So we are going to spray paint it, give it a little bit new life. And no, I'm not going to be using it as a pot holder. It's going to go somewhere on a wall or on my desk, something. We'll find out. But first step is to make it gold. Let's do it. guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed these thrift flips. It's really, really easy. You just have to go buy yourself a can of spray paint. Super duper easy. Any color you want. And you can do stuff like this and just completely give new life to a decor piece or anything really that you want to spray paint. It's super easy. You don't need like any background, any experience to do it. You just start. Pretty simple when you're spray painting stuff like this. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps show what you like to see and what you don't like to see. If this is the kind of stuff you like, subscribe because there's going to be a lot more coming. Thanks again for watching and have a wonderful day. My very first thrift, so be sure to describe.